Alrighty, so check this out. Let's get you making some more money every single day, every week, and at the end of the year, have some serious profits in line. So we're gonna keep this real simple here. Carpet installers. We are doing a graph on a simple 12 by 15 bedroom. I'm gonna make this our doorway here. We have a little bump out closet there. So 12 by 15 bedroom is 20 yards. Now, depending upon where you're at, let's just say it's empty and ready to go. There's no tear out, there's no furniture. We're keeping things super simple, but I want you to see the potential of scale here. So we got 20 square yards, which pays anywhere from $3 to $5 a yard, depending upon what you're getting in your area. So you're getting $60 to $100 to throw in this drop room. And it should take you less than 2 hours unless you suck. So not bad money right there, but let's be real. We want a hell of a lot more than that. So if you were to sell the carpet, the pad, and the installation, you should easily make an additional $3 per yard. You could actually make a hell of a lot more, but we're gonna keep it simple so you can see what adds up over time. So let's say you get another $60 on a room like this. On the low end, you just went up to $120, you doubled your income. If you're getting 100, now you're up to 160. But let's be real. So we're gonna call this the sales profit. If you're only doing one of these rooms a day, that's all bad. So easily do 3 to 4. So let's just call it 3 a day. So on your install, we're just gonna say you're getting 60 on each, you're getting 180 now for your install. A lot of people are satisfied with that. You shouldn't be though. And then 180 if you sell each one of the rooms as well for 360. And at most, that's a 6-hour day. Now, not bad, but let's go even bigger here. That extra 180 over a week is $900 that you didn't have before, plus your $900 in labor. I'm running off here. Let's get you back on the screen. I wasn't even paying attention. So we got $1,800. Now, would that not change your life on a weekly basis doing these basic drop rooms? So how do you get into selling carpet? It's super simple. Find the distributor in your area, find the cheapest product, and then the next step up. I call this the mid. So we got our basics. That's your apartment grade. Then you go with the mid. Now, always present your basic, the super cheap, but you say, you know, for this much more, I could get you into this product. Super easy way to sell, do the upsell on it, and at a minimum, making $3 a yard on the sale over the week, it'll double your income on the lowest possible end. You know, in all reality, it should be a heck of a lot more, but $1,800 a week when you're only working 6-hour days, imagine if you were actually applying yourself. So if you're interested in more tips about how to set up with distributors in your area to get carpet at wholesale that you can turn around, sell to your customers, and actually watch your money grow and not just be the next guy in line working your butt off for the $60 there, but actually doubling that and actually seeing some real results, go ahead and comment below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll create more videos right on this topic. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video.